Search TITIPO on YouTube. We're sorry, Eric.
The little trains have gathered by the rotary.
Hey guys!
Oh, hi, Eric. Hello.
Have you heard the good news?
What news?
In a few days, there's going to be a festival at the plant.
Festival?
That sounds like so much fun.
Doesn't it? There will be singers and fireworks too.
Wow! Even fireworks? So exciting.
Yeah, how about we go together?
Sure, sounds great.
Yeah!
I'm going to head in. Remember our promise.
Okay. Eric seems super excited. He really does.
It's finally the day of the festival.
Should we go now? But Eric's not here yet.
Why's he late when he's the one who asked us to go? Oh,
Hey guys, I'm here.
We were waiting for you. Come on, let's go.
You'll have to go without me.
what?
How come? Why?
I suddenly got a shift.
That's too bad.
I hope you have fun today.
Thanks, buddy. We sure will.
No, Eric, we couldn't go without you. Yeah, we wouldn't have any fun.
That's really nice of you to say. Oh, I should hurry. See you later.
Yeah, have a good shift.
Goodbye, Eric.
Diesel, how could you say we'd go on our own?
Oops, my bad.
To be honest, I'm a bit disappointed. Yeah, I wanted to go too.
Phooey. We finally get the same day off, and this happens.
I know. Let's think of something else.
Hey, guys, let's peek. An itty-bitty quick look for curiosity's sake.
No, what if Eric finds out about it?
We'll take a quick look and come back. He'll never know.
You think so? It sounds all right to me. Guess if it's just a quick look.
It'll be fine. Come on, let's go.
Oh, Diesel, wait for us!
The little trains are at the production plant where the festival is being held.
Wow! They have train painting too. I'm gonna ask for a Guardian X design.
Someone's singing on stage. This is so cool.
Yeah, let's go see.
Okay.
Oh, hey guys, we came for a quick look, remember? Wait for me. Wow, she's amazing. You and me, let's stay together always. We are best friends through and through. Twinkle, twinkle, shine bright, our most precious friendship. Whoa! Wow, it's so pretty! Yeah!
It's the next day.
Yesterday was a lot of fun, but I feel guilty because we went without Eric. Me too. Yeah, I ran into him this morning. Hi, Eric. Morning.
Good morning, Loco.
He seemed down and deflated.
Is it 'cause he missed the festival?
What do we do? There must be some way we can cheer Eric up.
That night after work, the little trains took Eric to the ocean.
Eric, isn't it nice to be out?
It is nice, but what are we doing here, guys?
Since we missed the festival, we thought we could all hang out tonight.
Oh, I see.
Wow! Look at the sky! Shooting stars! Wow! There's one over there!
Hey, and there too!
It's like a fireworks show!
Fireworks show? Oh.
This must remind Eric of the festival. I have to think fast. Hey guys! Let's stop stargazing and go watch Guardian X! What a good idea!
Tonight's episode is supposed to be great.
Come on, let's go, Eric!
Yeah.
The little trains have arrived at the auditorium.
I can't wait for it to start!
Me too.
One of them was the festival at the train production plant, right?
That's right. We have some footage of the festivities.
Hello, everyone. I'm here now at the Train Production Plant Festival.
Huh?
Oh, no, that's...
The Train Production Plant Festival.
As you can see, there are many events for all ages. We're on TV. There are also many Diesel, do something quick! Available, so everyone is special.
Oh no! I'm in pain! Please help me! Oh!
Then why not come join the fun? Diesel's in a lot of pain. What should we do?
What's wrong, Diesel?
Don't know. I need to see Teo now. Oh!
Hang on, I'll take you there.
Coming up next, Guardian X.
Yeah!
Guardian X.
Diesel, hurry and link up.
I think I'm all better now.
What? But you were moaning in pain.
Yeah, but I'm fine now. Oh, look, it's Guardian X.
Let's watch. Diesel seems as good as new.
Well, if you say so.
TITIPO TITIPO. That was fun.
Hey guys, I'm going to call it a night.
Already?
I have something to do. Goodbye, guys.
Okay, good night, Eric.
I guess our plan to cheer him up didn't work.
He's sad because he missed the festival. So why don't we have a special event just for Eric? An event just for Eric? Let's turn our town into a fun and exciting festival.
Whoa, that's a great idea.
I'm sure Eric will love it. Totally. All right, let's start first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay.
The next day, the little trains are busy preparing for the special festival.
We have to hurry. Yep. Andy, we're having a special festival.
TITIPO is
in our
asking
town.
Andy the artist to do some train painting.
When it comes to rap,
Genie and Loco are asking Fix and Lift to put on a performance.
Teo.
And Diesel is at the plant to see Teo.
You want fireworks tomorrow?
Yes. But don't tell Eric, okay?
Oh, don't tell Eric? Oh, sorry. I'm afraid I can't. I have another commitment.
Seriously? Oh.
It's the day of Eric's special festival.
Wow, it looks great.
But too bad we couldn't have any fireworks.
It's okay. We prepared so much. I'm sure Eric won't miss it. That's right, he won't.
Hi, guys.
Oh, it's Eric.
What's all this? Festival?
Eric, this festival is for you.
For me?
We knew you were disappointed because you missed the real festival.
I'm touched.
Also, Eric, we all went to the festival. We're really sorry.
Huh? You went to the festival?
Yeah. When you said you couldn't go, we really didn't want to go without you.
But we were curious, so we went to just take a look.
Oh,
We were very sorry, Eric.
I see. Actually, guys, I must confess too.
Confess?
Frankly, I went to the festival too.
What?
That night, as I was returning from work... Oh, it's still going strong. I should get the others and go. Wow, fireworks! So beautiful. I'll just take a look. And then I lost track of time. I'm really sorry, you guys.
Eric, how could you have fun without us? Not cool.
But we did the same thing to
Oh.
him.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
We may have gone separately, but at least we got to see the festival. That's right.
This time, let's have a lot of fun together.
Sounds good.
I want the coolest design you can draw.
You got it. Whoa, 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 whoa!
What? What's so funny?
Wow. Fix and Lift are so amazing. Enjoying this together makes it more fun. Thanks, you guys.
I'm so happy that you like it.
Actually, I prepared something too.
Oh?
It's right outside.
Wow, let's go now!
Hi. Did you have fun?
Oh, Teo, I thought you had another commitment.
I sure did. It was with Eric.
What? With Eric?
Yep. I asked Teo if he could light some fireworks.
Oh, Eric, you too?
Diesel went to Teo to ask for the same thing.
When Diesel came to me, after Eric asked for fireworks too, I felt awkward.
Seeing the fireworks without you made me feel guilty.
Wow, we had the same idea. That's so cool.
Okay, come on, guys. Let's start the show.
Yay!
Wow! Amazing!
It is, especially seeing it together.
Totally!
Eric and the little trains now know how much they care about each other.
Eric and TITIPO.
It's a sunny morning. Oh, look, it's Eric.
Okay, let's start the day. Oh,
Diesel, come back here.
it's TITIPO and Diesel. It looks like they're horsing around again.
Eric,
Oh? Yes, Mr. Herb.
are you ready for your route?
Yes, I'm on my way out.
Oh, good. And bring TITIPO with you.
Will do, sir.
You'll never catch me!
Oh, yes, I will. Come back
Hi,
here.
guys.
Oh, Eric, good morning.
Good morning. I'm here to fetch you. Mr. Herb is asking for you.
Oh, he is? I guess I have to go.
Oh,
Let's play later, Diesel.
okay.
Hi, Mr. Herb.
Oh, perfect timing. Eric, tomorrow's your checkup, right?
Yes, that's right.
Then we need to find a train to fill in for you. Maybe TITIPO can take your route.
TITIPO, sir?
Wow, that means I can go super duper far. So excited.
But TITIPO has never done a long-distance route before.
Why don't you help him? Take TITIPO out with you today and show him the rope so he can be ready.
Yes, sir.
I'm in your hands, Eric.
Okay.
TITIPO is following Eric for the day.
Yippee! This is awesome!
TITIPO, you need to focus now.
Okay. Wow!
This is where we stop.
Oh! Whoa! Wow!
Where are you going?
Butterflies!
TITIPO,
Oh,
you have to stop here.
oh yeah, sorry.
No. We're at the station.
There are so many people!
You're right. Lots of people transfer at this station. Oh,
Look, Dad, that train is so funny.
You're right.
Wait.
what are you doing?
Trying to make people laugh.
Hey, cut it out.
Finished with their route, TITIPO and Eric are heading back to Choo Choo Town.
Eric, I had so much fun.
TITIPO, you can't do the route like today. You went past a station and you were being silly all day.
Oh, yeah.
Being careless can cause accidents. I'm counting on you to do a good job tomorrow.
Okay.
The next morning,
Oh, Mr. Herb, where's TITIPO?
TITIPO? He must be running late.
What?
I'm so sorry.
You made it, TITIPO.
You should have been here earlier.
I woke up a little late. Don't worry, though. I'll do a good job today.
You shouldn't keep passengers waiting.
I know.
Well, it's time for you to head out. Go on now.
Okay, I'll see you later. La 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 la
be okay, right?
This is the train production plant. Eric is getting a checkup.
Eric, is something wrong?
Well, TITIPO is filling in for me today, and I'm worried. He didn't do too well during practice, and he woke up late today.
Ah. Don't worry, Eric.
What?
I can't mess up Eric's route and let him down. I need your help, Teo.
He practiced really hard yesterday. He'll be fine.
TITIPO practiced more?
Yeah, he practiced till late at night. That might be why he slept in.
I had no idea. I thought TITIPO only cared about playing. Guess I was wrong.
Welcome aboard.
Hello, Jeannie.
Oh, hi, Jeannie.
Hello.
Hello. Titipo said he was stopping at the station too. Oh? Titipo! Oh? That's weird. Why didn't he stop?
TITIPO is passing another station. What's going on?
Titipo? Titipo!
Eric has finished his checkup and is back in town.
I wonder if TITIPO did all right today. Oh, he's not home. Oh, but he should have been back by now.
Hi, Eric.
Hi, Jeannie.
What are you doing here?
I'm just wondering where TITIPO is. He still isn't home yet.
Oh, I saw him today and he was acting very strange.
Why? What did he do?
He didn't stop at the station and just went straight past it.
He what? Oh,
You don't think something's wrong with Titipo, do you?
I have to go see Mr. Herb. Bye.
Bye.
I hope he's all right. Huh?
We were going home.
Mr. Herb.
Minnie.
Eric, what's the matter?
TITIPO hasn't come in yet, so I was wondering if something happened.
I know. He is late.
Actually, we're waiting for TITIPO too.
Huh? But why? Did something bad happen?
Yes, you can say that.
Did TITIPO make a mistake?
No, we had an emergency and TITIPO was the one that helped us.
That's right. Hello, everyone. Watch your step while boarding.
What a nice train. Very polite.
Departing the station. I'm going to work hard and make Eric super happy.
TITIPO, I can't believe you did so well. You are amazing.
Oh,
Minnie, what's wrong?
my tummy hurts. What's wrong?
TITIPO, my daughter's in serious pain.
Just hold on. May I have your attention, please? We have a sick girl on board. Is there a doctor on the train who can help?
Here, I'm a doctor. Where's the sick girl?
First compartment.
Got it. There's the doctor. Is there a sick girl in here? Yes, over here. Okay, sweetie. Just hold on. TITIPO, we need to get her to a hospital right now.
What? Right now? But I still have more stops to make. All right, it's an emergency. May I have your attention? The sick girl needs to go to the hospital right away. So if you don't mind, we won't be making any stops.
Hang in there, honey. We're going to the hospital. Of course, the girl's health is more important.
Don't worry about us.
Thank you, everyone.
TITIPO raced to the station closest to the hospital.
We'll be at the hospital soon. Just hang on.
Okay, please take care of her.
We will. Good job, Titipo.
Thank you.
Phew. She'll be okay. Titipo is a hero today.
If it weren't for Titipo, we would have been in trouble. We wanted to thank him, so we came straight here after treatment.
Titipo acted admirably today.
Yes, and I thought the worst of him.
Going back to drop off the passengers took longer than I thought. I'm just glad that I got Minnie to the hospital in time. Oh, what's Eric doing out?
Thank goodness Minnie is okay now.
I'm back, Mr. Herb.
Good job, Titipo.
Titipo, you have special visitors.
Titipo!
Oh, I didn't see you there. Is Minnie all better now?
She's fully recovered, and we owe it all to you, so thank you.
You're the best, Titipo. I'm so glad to hear that.
You did good.
I'm so happy that Minnie's all better now. Aren't you, Eric?
Yeah. Listen, Titipo,
Yeah?
I'm sorry.
Oh? Why?
To be totally honest, I was doubtful you'd do a good job today. But hearing how you handled a sick child on board made me so proud.
Thanks, Eric. I was worried I would disappoint you. I'm glad I didn't. Woohoo! Time for bed! Yippee!
Oh, be careful!
Ooh, I will.
Playful little Titipo acted very responsibly today.
Sweet dreams!
Job well done, Titipo.
Steam's new job.
It's Titipo's day off today.
Eric!
Titipo, morning!
Can you hang out and play?
I can't, sorry. I work in the afternoon.
You do? Oh, then what should I do today?
Why don't you go visit Steam?
Who's Steam, Eric?
He's an old-fashioned steam train. Steam's a lot of fun. He has many interesting stories.
Interesting stories?
He can tell you about cool things from the past.
Wow! I can't wait to meet him!
You'll find Steam at the way station.
Thanks so much, Eric.
Have fun, Titipo!
I will. Where could he be? Oh, that must be Steam. So excited! Excuse me.
Don't think I know you. Who are you?
My name is Titipo.
Titipo? Oh, a pleasure. I'm known as Steam.
It's nice to meet you.
What a great voice you have, child. So, what can I do for you?
Eric told me to see you. He said you have a lot of interesting and cool stories.
He did?
Yes, I would love to hear some of them.
I'd be delighted. Now, which one should I tell? Would you like to hear about a young Mr. Herb?
Oh, would I? Of course I would.
Take a look at the picture on this sign.
The picture on the sign? Oh, that looks like...
Yes, it's Mr. Herb.
That man in the picture is really Mr. Herb?
It is. He looks much different, doesn't he?
Yes.
Back then, Mr. Herb used to make so many mistakes.
Mr. Herb used to make mistakes?
Of course. I remember young Herb clearly.
Herb! Oh? Where on earth is he? Herb! Where are you?
Oh, Steam!
What were you doing in there, Herb?
Oh, I fell asleep.
Young Herb used to doze off all the time.
I have to tell my friends this story. They're all going to be so shocked.
Well, are you ready for another one?
Totally!
Old-fashioned trains in the past used to carry
Steam and
coal
TITIPO
water.
spent the morning with fun stories from the past.
I'll tell you why.
Thank you for sharing your stories.
You're very welcome. Come visit again.
Okay. What time is your route?
I'm an old-fashioned train, so I don't work anymore.
So then you just stand around all day?
That's right.
You're lucky. You don't have to work and you can sleep in every single day.
I don't know. I'd rather work if I could.
Oh. Aren't you almost done exhibiting for the day here?
Yes?
When you get off, let's go on an outing.
Outing? But I don't know my way, and I'm not young anymore.
Now, don't you worry. I'll be your personal guide.
All right, an outing we will go.
Titipo, Titipo.
Off duty now, Steam is venturing out with TITIPO.
Being out like this feels amazing.
Doesn't it? Look over there.
Oh?
That's the harbor.
My word, it's changed so much.
Yes.
The harbor used to be a lot smaller. But it's so big now. Incredible.
This time, I'll show you the route that I service.
Oh, all right.
Hello. Hi, Sing Sing. Bye.
Did something just pass by?
That's my friend Sing Sing. She's super fast.
She sure is.
This is one of the train stations that's on my route.
Oh, there are so many people. The world sure has changed a lot.
Wow!
Oh,
Look, Mom, this train looks really different and cool.
You're right. Maybe it's an antique.
Look, it has a chimney on top.
it's because I'm a steam locomotive. I can do this too.
Wow, so cool! Can you give me a ride, please?
Ride?
No, dear. I apologize.
It's quite all right. Come, child, get on.
Wow!
Thank you so much.
Oh, Steam, will you be okay?
Yes, I'll be fine. It's like I'm working again. It feels good.
Okay.
Right, now let's move out.
Steam must have really enjoyed working this route.
Steam has arrived at the next station.
Are you all right, Steam?
Yes, just have a little cough.
I think it's more than just a cough.
Here we are at...
That was so fun!
Thanks again.
Fun!
Sure.
A train approaching.
Let's rest a bit.
Oh?
Steam, it's me, Eric. But what brings you all the way out here?
Oh, hello, Eric. TITIPO and I are getting some air.
Steam even gave some people a ride.
That sounds nice. I'm sorry, Steam, but I have to get to my next stop.
Oh, really? I'll move out of the way.
Steam, what's the matter?
I can't seem to move. Something must be wrong. Eric, I'm so sorry. I'm blocking your way.
I'll call Fix right now to come help.
All right. Maybe coming out wasn't a good idea.
Fix is taking Steam to the train production plant now.
Steam, you'll be as good as new after the checkup.
Yeah.
This is my fault. I shouldn't have made you come out.
No. It's my own fault for giving that child a ride. And it's my fault for making Eric late, too. I don't think outings are for me.
Oh, Steam. Hi, Mr. Herb.
Oh, you're back. I heard Steam had an accident. What happened today?
Well, he seemed unhappy at the exhibition, so I took him out. But then he suddenly stopped moving at the station.
I see.
I'm so sorry.
Don't be. Actually, after Steam retired, he lost most of his strength. So I've been trying to find different ways to help him.
I see.
When he was working, he was such a vibrant and cheerful train.
I know. When he gave some people a ride, he was so happy. That's it! Mr. Herb, I have a great idea! We know Steam loves transporting passengers, right? So I was thinking he might enjoy doing this.
It's the next morning. It looks like Steam has finished his checkup.
Hi, Steam. How are you feeling today?
Oh, thanks to you, I'm much better now. Oh? Titipo!
Hi, Steam. Morning, Tail.
Hello.
Hello, Titipo.
I have someone special on board.
Steam, it's me, Herb.
Oh, Herbie. Good to see you. But what are you doing here?
I have a question to ask you.
Oh? A question?
Starting today, I'm running a special steam train tour, and I wanted to know if you would run it.
A steam train tour?
You would take passengers around the way station.
Oh, that sounds perfect for Steam.
Take passengers around? Do you think I can do it?
Of course!
I've replaced some of your old parts, so you should be ready to run.
Really? I can't believe I have a route again. Thank you for this, Herb.
Don't thank me, my friend. The idea came from little Titipo.
Impressive. Way to go, buddy.
Thank you so much, Titipo.
You're welcome. Wow! There are so many people! Steam looks super duper happy!
Yes, he does.
Is everyone on board?
Yes!
Then, let's start the tour!
Congrats on your first route, Steam! Way to go!
This feels great!
Steam has his own route again. Have fun with the tour, Steam.